Welcome to Agrexus. In this walkthrough, we're going to show you how to use two powerful tools that help you compare supermarket prices on fresh produce across Kingston, St. Andrew, and the surrounding areas. In part 1 of this video series, we'll explore the retail price comparison tool, which lets you check for prices for individual items at different supermarkets quickly and easily. Then in part 2, we'll dive into the retail price basket tool, where you can build a virtual shopping basket and see the total cost across multiple supermarket outlets. So, in essence, you have the ability to make the best choice before you shop. Let's get started. In part 1 of this video, we'll be walking you through how to use the retail price comparison tool. This tool helps you compare produce prices across different retail outlets, making it easier to make informed purchasing decisions. Let's get started. From the dashboard, navigate to the price drop-down menu. Under the produce prices heading, click on retail prices. Once selected, you will enter the retail price comparison tool, where you'll see a comprehensive overview of produce prices across different supermarkets. Upon entering the tool, you'll notice that the default view is set to card view. This view organizes all commodities alphabetically, starting from broccoli and going down to yam. Each commodity card provides key price insights, including average price, which is the average price of produce across major supermarket outlets, location-based data, and of course by default, the location is set to Kingston and St. Andrew, but you can change it to another region, such as St. Catherine, to view retail prices in Portmore. This makes it easy to compare prices based on where you're shopping. So let's actually get into how we'll use the compare feature. Click on the compare button on any commodity card. This will display a detailed breakdown showing the specific price points at each retail store within the selected location, a percentage representation of the difference between each price and the average price. Additional price insights include average price across all selected locations, lowest and highest listed price, price range, which represents the difference between the highest and lowest listed price. This allows for a granular comparison of price variations across different retailers. For a more consolidated view of all commodities and their respective prices across different store locations, switch to Matrix View. The Matrix View presents all data in a structured table format, making it easy to compare prices across multiple locations at a glance. That wraps up our walkthrough of the retail price comparison tool in Agrexus. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to navigate the tool and leverage its features to make more informed purchasing decisions. For more tutorials and insights, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at Agrexus_JA. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.